Paul. So, please, we just did the re-exam, and I would like to ask you how you were when you came in. You came in basically 1 month ago, more or less. So, just let me know. I didn't see you actually at the first visit.
No, the first appointment you didn't see me. So, when I arrived, I parked maybe 500 meters away from your office, and I could barely walk the 500 meters. I couldn't. I was difficult to walk. My posture was leaning forward and leaning to the side,
away from the painful spot.
Away from the painful spot.
Yes.
So it was very difficult to walk, and everyday life was just really difficult because of I was having muscle spasm. So sometimes I would move and the pain would be really unbearable. So yeah, it was very difficult then.
Okay, and we have seen each other for a month, more or less. You came in pretty intensively. You did 4 sessions per week in the real beginning. And can you let me know how you feel today? And what was your first impression when you came in about the work? Because you told me you were used to traditional care.
Traditional, yeah, very much so. So let's talk about that first. So my chiropractor in the UK, he was ex-army, really big guy, and it was the traditional form. You know, he would like bend me over, tell me to take a big intake of breath, and then he would, you know, push, and everything would crack, and everything would be good. So it was an immediate solution. And when I came here, I was quite surprised because I'd done a lot of research, and when I came here, I was quite surprised that it was a different form of chiropractic. And I'll be honest, I was quite sceptical at the start. Because I was expecting a more physical, hands-on version.
Approach.
Yeah. And when I didn't get this, I thought, well, this is either going to take a long time, or maybe I haven't done my research correctly. And 1 month later, I'm like, my back is transformed, my body is transformed, and my whole feeling about this approach is totally transformed. It's seeing how you work and feeling how you work with me is just, I can't really explain it. It's quite amazing.
Yes, you told me that your focus was really on pain. In the beginning, you came in with the expectation that the pain would go away. So, from what I understand, this expectation has been satisfied, but also transcended. I mean, you told me you had more awareness.
Yeah, I think for anybody that has a serious problem with their back, everybody wants it fixed. I remember I said to you, it's like, I need you to fix my back. And you said, I can't fix your back. Your body will fix your back. It's a bigger process than it. And that's what I've experienced. It's obviously, you know, you want the pain to go away, and the pain has gone away. But you discovered that there's much more wrong with my body, because it feels like a whole body experience. There's much more wrong with my body, and now everything just moves much freer. Everything is more relaxed. I would never have expected to feel like this on the first day that I came in, because I just wanted my back fixed. I'm used to the traditional method.
Yes.
So this has been not only a pain body transformation, it's kind of transformed who I am.
Okay, fantastic. Thank you very much.
My pleasure.